quick shout out to Jill at Mountain Made Creations for sharing this quick and easy sublimation technique. I'll put a link to her channel in the description below. All this sublimation paper and all the earring blanks came from Amazon. All you got to do is pick your pattern, trace around your blank, make sure you have enough to cover the entire surface of the blank, and then you're going to take heat tape, not regular tape, heat tape, and secure it to the paper and make sure that it's secured so it won't move around. Then all you do is just take your heat tool, heat it up on the highest setting, put a piece of parchment paper or a Teflon sheet over top of it, and leave it for a minimum of 30 seconds. Now I left mine for 40 seconds because my heating tool only heats up to 390. And then you're going to carefully remove the tape. And look how shiny that is. You could just simply put your earring hardware in like this and leave it like it is. It's beautiful the way it is. Or you can embellish it like I'm doing here. I'm putting rhinestones on it. You could take your Cricut and you could cut out some Christmas trees and some snowflakes, little snowmen. There's so many things you could do, or you could take some flat back buttons and put on there and then put a protected layer on top of it. Now, guys, I'm starting now because it's the middle of October and I work and I travel. I don't have a lot of extra time, and I'm going to be making these for my female co-workers, and I'm also going to be making some as stocking stuffers for family and friends. So I'm getting ahead of it now. This is just the first pair that I made, so I'll be sharing more with you as I go on. Clean it with alcohol, and then all you got to do is just add your earring hardware. There's so many ways to embellish these little earrings, and they're so quick and easy, and they'll make great gifts for coworkers and family and friends. I'll be sure to share those videos with you to let you know how they turned out. I hope you've enjoyed this quick little video. I hope you have a wonderful week, and as always, thanks for watching.